In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix mobile site quickly and efficiently. Whether you're an experienced site owner or just getting started, optimizing your site for mobile devices is essential in this digital age where so many people are browsing on their phones. So, let's dive in and make sure your site looks great on any device. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to your site's dashboard, where you'll see all the tools you need to manage your online presence. This is your command center, the place where you can keep track of everything related to your site. Once you're in, look for the option that says Design Site and give that a click. This will take you directly to the Wix website editor, the space where all the creative magic happens. Once inside the website editor, you should notice a variety of icons and tools at the top of the screen. Here, what you're looking for is the Switch to Mobile icon, which resembles a small phone. This is your gateway to viewing and editing your site specifically for mobile devices. Click on that icon to switch your view to the mobile version of your site. This change in perspective will allow you to see exactly what your visitors will see when they access your website on their phones. Now that you're viewing your site in mobile mode, it's time to customize. You might want to adjust certain elements such as text size, image placement, or even how specific widgets appear. The idea is to ensure that everything is clear and easy to interact with on a smaller screen. Take your time as you move things around and test different configurations. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless user experience that encourages visitors to stay and explore your site. After you've completed your customizations, take a moment to review the changes. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the editor where you'll find the Update button. Clicking Update saves your progress, and after that, choose the Preview option. This gives you a sneak peek at what your users will see, allowing you to catch and tweak any final details before going live. Satisfied with how it all looks? Great. The last step is to hit Publish. With just a click, your mobile site updates are live and ready for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Wix mobile site. It's a simple process, but these steps make a significant impact on how visitors interact with your site on their mobile devices. Don't forget to regularly check back and update as needed to keep everything fresh and aligned with your needs. Thanks for joining us today, and happy editing.